Hello everyone, welcome all. Today we are introducing and demonstrating Beveren Software integration of ERPNext with ZATCA Phase2 requirements. If you are a business looking for ZATCA compliant invoicing solution or ERP, look no further. Reach out to us and we will provide the best solution for you. Our solution can generate, store, and share compliant invoices with customers. The invoices are cleared instantly with ZARCA, validated, and signed. The generated invoices have QR codes, can be shared as an XML or PDF with customers via email or print. It is a simple, powerful tool. ERPNext has a great user interface and is designed for efficient business management. If you don't know what is ERPNext, ERPNext is the most agile open source ERP system on the planet. This is the landing page of the ERPNext. As you can see, is a powerful ERP system with everything customers needs, right from accounting, procurement, selling, stock, inventory management, manufacturing, projects, CRM, and many more. In today's video, we will focus more on ZATCA integrations and how ERPNext can help you generate ZATCA compliant invoices, store them for you, and share with customers. The first step is creating the CSR setting for your company. Go to ZATCA integrations, go to CSR settings, and add CSR settings. Here, I have created a CSR setting for the Beveren Software Riyadh branch. As you can see, you need to provide your registration scheme, registration number, your company address, and the tax informations. Once you provide these details, you can save this information and generate a CSR. CSR generated successfully from ZATCA. As you can see, the generated CSR in the bottom of the screen. There is a CSR and then private key. Both are also saved in the PEM format, and you can also see the time it generates. The next step is generating a compliant CSID. On the connections, click on plus, and then you can generate the compliant CSID. For this, I'll name it as the same. So we are testing on the sandbox portal. 123345 is a test ODP for the sandbox portal. You also need to provide a test customer. I will pick this customer and save. Once you save, you can generate a compliant CSID. Your compliant CSID is generated successfully. Now, the next step is validating the compliant CSID. Your compliant CSID is successfully validated. As you can see, the validations are passed for the standard invoices. You can also select simplified invoices and then it does the validation automatically. Once the compliant CSID is generated, go to connections again and click on production CSID using the same compliant CSID you created. Save it and generate production CSID. And the production CSID is generated successfully. So now You have successfully generated your production CSID with ZATCA and successfully connected with ZATCA. Now you can start generating e-invoices, credit notes, and debit notes. The final step is go to ZATCA settings and use the ID you generated for to be used with invoice creation process. You can also set the CSID per company level, which allows you to have multiple CSRs and multiple protection ID or multiple onboarding devices on per company level or per branch level if you want to separate your VAT informations. The next step is creating a sales invoice. You can create a new sales invoice by pressing add sales invoice. You can pick the customer, Hune, and I will show the details of the customer. So this is a customer created. You can create as many as customers you want in the system. You all have an e-invoicing setting tab where you need to provide each customer registered organization name, the VAT number, the complete address as part of the onboarding. You can always create a new address. Delivery date is mandatory for ZATCA, and then you also have a payment due date. Pick the customer, and then you can add your items. You can add multiple items. So I added two items which cost 50,000 Saudi Riyal, and then we have a standard VAT applied with 15 percentage, 7,500 Saudi Riyal, total up to 57,500. Now you can save this invoice, verify or review, and once you save and everything looks good, you can submit the invoice. I'm submitting it. So once you submit the invoice, it's immediately sent to ZATCA for clearance and it will be cleared immediately. And you can see those details in the e-invoice details. So this is an invoice type of standard. This is the invoice hash. And the clearance status is cleared. And you can also see the complete validation results. And it says it's completely passed according to the ZATCA standard. The result also say the invoice XML and the QR code as an attachment, and you can download and share with customers if you like. You can also print the invoice in the PDF format approved by ZATCA, and this is a standard template we provide, and it can be customized based on customer needs. You can print this, you can email this to customers from ERPNext itself. So your invoices are now generated, cleared successfully. You can print it and it's stored for years in the ERP system. Now we also support creating credit notes for the invoices. So you can go to the invoice, create credit note. You pick the original date and the return payment date, save and submit. And you can go to invoice details and you can see it is standard credit note and it's cleared successfully. So this is how you can generate invoices, credit notes, store them, share, and be compliant with ZATCA with ERPNext. Thank you everyone for watching.